Hey everyone, Techne here with another unboxing, and this one is for the ASRock X570 Steel Legend motherboard that we're going to be pairing up with the Ryzen 5 3600 and the MSI graphics card that we viewed earlier. And let's pop this guy open and take a look at it. Alright, so here we go. Let's get into this. Now I'm really excited for us. As you all noticed with the MSI graphics card one, I'm just really giddy, and again, I just kind of want to share this experience with you guys. It's just a whole lot of fun. I've never had a motherboard this fancy. You guys have pretty much brought you guys along for all of my motherboard upgrades and everything, or my builds, you know, and I've just never had anything like this. Again, this is built just for that new Ryzen processor there that we're going to be using. I mean, this box is gigantic, guys. Like, I don't know if you can tell on the screen, but this thing is huge. Really, really big. How do I even open this thing? Here we go. Wow. All right, so how do I just pull it out like that? There we go. What else is in here? Oh, that's never good. Look at that. Good mercy. So we got some discs. That's always a scary sign right there when you have a manual that big. Hold on. Here, look, can you guys see? Quick. That's the quick installation guide right there. That's the quick. Usually quick guides are like one page or something. Like, there's nothing quick about this. Like, holy smoke. Then we got our disc down here. Oh, they give us a sticker too. A little M2 bolt right there. Software setup guide. This is what maybe a quick guide should be like maybe that size. That other one down there is like a storybook. I'm gonna bring that to bed one night. Give you some. There we go. Oh, they give you 4 actually. Okay. Oh, cool. So I forgot that this board has the 2 M.2 slots. So you have your both screws right there. They give you an extra one down here, and then some of your SATA cables. All right. So let's get this guy open here. And this guy is jumbo. Oh, it's not even sealed. Oh, cool. It's in like a. Well, maybe not. Hold on. Is it? Let me see. Oh, cool. It's in like its own... Oh, it's zip tied to it. Again, I've never had this fancy of a motherboard here, so a lot of this stuff may be, you know, basic to you guys, but again, this is new and fancy to me. Let me go on and get these zip ties off. I'll be right back. All right, so zip ties are off here. Let's go on and get this guy out of here. All right. Let me bring it in and show you here. Right, so all that's metal over there, and then down here as well. These are your 2 M.2s right here. They got the covers right on it. Wow. You know, I always wonder, I don't do many unboxings, you know, just if something really exciting and giddy about it. But why, I've watched some on YouTube before, and they're pretty entertaining, don't get me wrong. But why is it a thing where you see people, they're just like... and they pull it off real slowly, like it's just, you know, I don't know. Is that a thing on YouTube? Is that really popular? I don't know. Hey, I just peel the thing off. You know what I mean? Hey, let's get that off and we're done. All right. So there was a massive amount of plastic on this thing. So good thing I didn't bring you guys through that pain right there, right? But anyways, let me show you now with it all off. Check it out right here. There we go. Yeah, really, really nice looking board. I really like it. Again, everything that you see silver right there is all metal. Let me show you the connections here. You have USB 3. Let's get some focus. Just looking at me. USB 3.2 Gen 1, and then you also have 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2s right there in the middle. And your connections down there. You have some antenna slots. You have a optical and everything. Some really, really nice options on this board here. And also those 2 spots that you saw, like right here where it says Steel Legend, and then right up here by the logo, those light up RGB. So that's gonna be pretty cool. Just kind of, because we got that black and white vibe going on here, you know what I mean? And I'll just put some red on there. I think it's gonna look really sharp. One other thing too that I noticed, the M.2 slots right down there on the bottom right there, to remove those, like I was kind of curious about this when I was looking online. I was like, all right, to remove each one, but actually to remove it and get your M.2s in there, you actually got those 3 screws right there, and this entire deal right here comes off. It's not like 1 and 2, it's the entire deal right there. And I mean, there's just so many things I'm excited about with this board. Again, I've never had one this fancy. You know, talking down to the basics, like the fan ports in here, there's 4. I think my other boards, they've only had like the max has been 3, so I might be able to, you know, remove my hub all in general and run them all through there, maybe with a splitter or 2, you know what I mean? There's 8 SATA slots right down here, you know. The 2 M.2s with the hyper right there, so that's gonna be really fun to try out. The PCI 4.0. I mean, it's just so many cool things on this. As cheesy and basic as it may sound, for me, again, never having one, you know, this fancy, I'm really excited about it. Let me show you some of the stats. Can we get some focus on that? There we go. So you can see some of these stats on it right down there. And again, there's just so many cool things about it. I'm just excited to try out and just play with and just you know, see what difference it can make. And that's honestly why I did these few unboxing videos. Again, I'm super excited. I wanted you guys to be a part of it with me, you know. Again, a lot of this stuff is really new to me, so I'm just extremely excited. It's not for me, it's just let me fire it up and see what numbers I get, you know what I mean? It's the process of it. I think it's just really, really fun, you know. And again, I wanted you guys to enjoy it with me. So again, if you stuck around and watched these one, I highly appreciate it. Like I said, we'll be doing some more tests with the graphics card here, putting it with the 2600, you know, and just kind of seeing how it works there. And then again, we'll be installing all of this right here and seeing how this whole new setup works. So I'm really excited. Hey, I hope you stop by and join us for those ones as well. But if you stuck by and watch this one, I highly appreciate it. I really do. If you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for future tech videos. Hey, I hope I catch you in the next one. Bye now.